Hey everybody, don't forget to like and subscribe the video. I want to go over some. See these tire covers I have on my Springdale camper here? These tire covers I originally bought for this car 20 years ago. And 2 of them got destroyed. I had 2 left because it comes in a 4-pack. And this is the last one I have left. That thing is like 20 years old. The other one blew away in a windstorm. I could not find it. So I went back to Harbor Freight to try to find some more, and they were out of stock because of you know what. So finally they had them back in stock. Here are the Harbor Freight storm-proof wheel covers, and you get 4 of them because most campers have 4 wheels or cars have 4 wheels. So, and this has lasted me 20 years. How can you go wrong? These are only $9.99. So I haven't opened them up yet, so I'll pass the boy to G Jr. Let's go ahead and be careful with the razor knife not to rip them. They're made out of canvas, obviously. Oh, these are a little bit of an upgrade. This just had an elastic band holding them. These appear to have a metal band in them. So let's take and... Are you having me on frame, in frame, or?
No, I do.
Well, there's one. So how do you get these apart? There we go. There we go. So now instead of elastic frames, they've got metal frames that they can help keep them on the tires. They're just canvas, but like I said, those old ones here have lasted me 20 years. Let's go on over to the camper. Put the new ones on to see how they fit. These are 14-inch tires. Yep, 205/75 R14s. So you're just gonna go ahead and put it there and then wrap them around the back. I actually have chocks here in the front and the back so I can trap the wheel in the chocks. Wow, I think they fit better than the original ones I bought. I just put the chalk there. Wow, check that out. That is really nice. So, instead of going out and spending $30, $40 on a set of wheel covers for your camping trailer, Harbor Freight, $9.99, you know, and they have them back in stock. It does look like maybe the material's a little bit thinner than they were 20 years ago, but that's what it is. But these are gonna be nice. I'm gonna use this chalk up here to hold the front in, and the back one's on the back of the other chalk. So there you have it, Harbor Freight tire cover to keep your tires, the sun from dry rotting your tires. I think they're a good investment for 10 bucks. How can you go wrong? And I got 2 spare because my trailer is only a single axle. All right, everybody, thanks a lot for watching. Please subscribe. You can always do that in that corner down there. And please give me a thumbs up if you like my automotive and more videos.